The second portion of the question wants to know, what was Erin's average speed of the entire trip? So that is all the time she was walking. If you look at the graph, there are three portions to the graph. The first portion is the time that goes from 0 to 4 minutes. Portion 2 is the point that goes from 4 to 8 minutes. Portion 3 is the graph that goes from 8 to 10 minutes. Now, we, in our first episode, graphed portion 1 and figured out the speed in portion 1. Portion 1 was the area from 0 to 4 minutes. And we came up with it was 200 meters per minute. Portion 2 is a straight horizontal line, so that speed has got to be 0. Because remember, a horizontal straight line has a slope of 0, which corresponds to your speed. It shows that she didn't actually go anywhere. She must have stopped to talk to somebody. So portion 1 is 200 meters per minute. Portion 2 is 0 meters per minute. Portion 3 turns out to be the area between 8 and 10 meters. The distance there goes from 800 to 1600 meters, which is going to make your distance 800 meters. Because if I start at 800 meters and then I go up to 1600 meters, I've actually traveled 800 meters. The time is between 10 and 8 minutes, which means my time is going to be 2 minutes. Now, if we go back to our original distance divided by time scenario, then that makes it that we have our distance of 800 meters and our time of 2 minutes. So if I take 800 meters and I divide it by 2, I get 400 meters per minute. So now I have 3 portions. One portion, my speed is 200 meters per minute. My second portion, it's 0 meters per minute. And my third portion is 400 meters per minute. So if you think about how we find averages, remember averages, we add up our numbers and then we divide by the number of numbers there are. In this scenario, we have 3 different numbers. So let's stop for a minute and think about what numbers we want to add up and divide by 3.